Every other backend framework is absolute garbage trash irredeemable. If you're not using Spring Boot, you might as well be writing your backend in Microsoft Word. I know. Who the starts a conversation like that? I just sat down, but I stand by it. Spring Boot isn't just the best backend framework, it's the only correct choice. And if you disagree, that's fine. It just means you enjoy pain. Let's break down why. Let's start with Express.js. Ah, yes, the minimalist framework that gives you absolutely nothing out of the box, and then expects you to build a production-ready API with do, tape, and prayer. Want security? That's another package. Request validation? Install middleware. Want to not lose your mind? Damn! Oh, and let's not forget the joy of debugging callback hell when your async functions decide to throw a tantrum in production. Express.js is great if you love reinventing the wheel over and over again, until your project is just a stack of random NPM dependencies, half of which haven't been updated since the Obama administration. Enjoy that suffering. Then there's Django. But Django is Python. It's so clean and elegant. Yeah, until you need to customize literally anything, and suddenly you're wrestling with a magical ORM that either does everything for you or gaslights you into thinking your database doesn't exist. Enjoy writing 69 lines of configuration just to let a user log in. Seriously. Enjoy your suffering. Ruby on Rails. Oh, you mean the framework that peaked in 2010 and now survives purely on nostalgia and startup founders who watched one tutorial in college? Have fun with your magical convention over configuration approach that works great right up until you need to scale. And suddenly your app has the performance of a potato. More suffering for you. Meanwhile, Spring Boot is out here actually solving problems. Need security? Built-in? Need a database connection? One annotation. Need to scale? It's like Java looked at every other backend framework and said, please, before casually flexing its enterprise-grade reliability. Sure, people will say, but Java is verbose. Oh no, you had to type a few extra lines to define your classes properly? Meanwhile, JavaScript devs are sacrificing chickens to the TypeScript gods because their any type just crashed production. At the end of the day, Spring Boot is for people who actually want their backend to work, not just vibe. It's fast, secure, scalable, and doesn't make you question your life choices every time you deploy. So to all the Express, Django, and Rails users out there, I hope you enjoy your suffering. Meanwhile, I'll be over here deploying enterprise-grade applications while sipping my coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe.